Introduce highlight features and quick overview of EasoKids Tablet 7-inch Wi-Fi Android 10 Tablet PC 2020 New FHD 1920x 1200 IPS screen, 2GB RAM 32GB ROM, parental control. KiDOS installed, Eye Protection Anti-Blue Light Screen Prime, pink. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Highlight features are included. EasoTronPad TK701 Tablet. The EasoTronPad TK701, 7-inch tablet uses an A133 highly integrated application processor designed for mainstream tablet applications. It is equipped with the latest version of Android 10 operating system, comes with a powerful 2GB RAM, 32GB ROM, expandable to 128GB, quad-core processor. Dual cameras, 5-megapixel rear camera, and it is easy to use with comprehensive parental controls. The tablet includes a free blue light blocking screen protector and a food-grade silicone case, protecting the device and reducing the risk of damage to your vision. TronPad tablet, your best choice. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.